Statistics from the Ministry of Environment and the Protection of Nature shows that 600,000 tons of plastics are produced in Cameroon each year and not properly disposed of after use. Plastic waste of all sorts flood neighborhood streets and markets, causing health hazards and environmental damage when burnt or left at the mercy of rainwater for disposal. The former Cameroonian football legend, Roger Milla, who is currently a soccer ambassador, has laid the foundation stone of a plant specialized in plastic recycling with the potential to create about 2,500 jobs.
For most Cameroonians, it's just trash. But for Pierre Kamsouloum, it's a valuable resource. His plan is to introduce plastic recycling to Cameroon on a large scale. When we were children back in the village, we often sat around the fire and burned old plastic bags. They melted, and we made balls from that. But this is not about toys. By adding sand, the molten plastic is mixed into a paste and pressed into molds. Most of the people working here are youths from underprivileged families. They are learning a skill that will be greatly needed in Cameroon, producing cobblestones and slabs. There's a lot that needs to be accomplished. We lack breathing masks. I still have to find them. I want them to wear breathing masks, especially when replacing the filter. The project has been made possible by the man who was the world's best footballer in the 1990s World Cup. Roger Milla, who is now a soccer ambassador, is funding it through his foundation, Cœur d'Afrique, or Heart of Africa. When you have finished your football career, you have to find something you can do. I decided to look for ways to help Cameroonian youths. Milla has made his cobblestone workshop his flagship project. This morning, he's taking around a friend to see the work that's been carried out. Georges Seba is a Cameroonian French pop star visiting the capital, Yaoundé. I saw a documentary on television about it and was very much interested to have a look. I think it's something that really needs to be supported. For years, Pierre Kamsouloum traveled through Africa trying to sell his idea. Eventually, Roger Milla brought him back to Cameroon. Now, together with his girlfriend, he's looking for a house. At the moment, he lives with one of Milla's employees. I think it's time I took full responsibility for my life and have a family. The next step is that we would like to get married. Pierre's project promises more stability in his life. He wants to build dozens of such workshops across Cameroon. Eventually, he hopes, his idea will be used in all of Yaoundé's walkways.